What's up, guys? We out here at the shop right now. Today is Wednesday, which is normally test and tune day at Darlington. I am about to give y'all some updates on what's been going on with G-Roy, and maybe we'll go to the track. Well, maybe we'll run to the track today. So John is on the way down here right now to Darlington. He's bringing Hank, and he wants to give me a ride in it. It's been a long time since I've been in a fast rear-wheel drive car, so I'm trying to get him to put it on the damn bumper. Maybe it'll get me back into trying to get another fast turbo car going, which I really want to do, and it'll give me some motivation. And this heat here is killer. It's like 97 degrees right now and like fucking 400% humidity. So I've been working, sweating my ass off and gaining weight. I don't know how that works, but apparently it works. So we got G-Roy right here. I got some 18s for it right now. And backstory on the wheels, I bought a 06 G35 from Copart, and last Thursday I got into an accident with it, and almost near a head-on collision. I'll plug a picture of how the car looks right now. It was a manual sedan, which I really wanted, same color I wanted for a long time now. I had the car for at least a month or two before it came up on the auction block. We bought it. Me and Dill went down to go get it. I got it. I bought another G35 to get the front end stuff off of it, and put it on that car. I got that G35 for like a couple $100, and I got that car for like $3,000. Long story short, driving around for a while, wrecked it. It's like everything I want doesn't want me. But anyway, so that car had those 18s on it. I took the 18s off of that car, put it on this car, and I also fixed the transmission in it. So I fixed the transmission, I fixed the lifters, I just changed the oil. I also got the ECU retuned. It's still throwing a couple codes that we forgot to delete because we're in a rush to do it, so we just got to go back and do it. So I'm curious to see what it runs at the track, so I want to run it tonight, and if it'll probably run 13s, 14s. If it runs a 14, I'm driving off the deep end of the track and you'll never see a car again. When I originally put the car together, I wanted to be like a mid 10-second car on nitrous, but plans have changed, and here we are. So rundown on the car, it's got a sloppy stage 2 cam. I forgot what springs and retainers they are, but they came out of the black sheep whenever we first originally put it together, and we thought the valves were floating, but it turned out to be something else. It's got LS7 lifters in it, LSA oil pump. It's got I keep forgetting what kind of intake manifold this is. Professional Products. It's got a Professional Products intake manifold on it. It's cathedral port, 317 heads, 6.0, F-body accessories, 4-inch intake. I changed the radiator, which works really well. I really do need a slightly bigger one, but this one's working fantastic. I want to put the grill in the car, so I'm going to try to do that today before I go to the track also, to see if it still doesn't cool down when I drive it. I have no thermostat in it right now. When I do drive it, it cools down. When I was driving it before with the grill on it, it wouldn't cool down. It does stay cool somewhat at idle, but it will creep up if it's like a bazillion degrees outside like it is right now. We got stock street tires on there, 4060. So this will be the third 4060 I've had in this car. I bought one, turned out to be junk. Bought another one, turned out to be junk. And I just bucked it up and bought a reman trans. So we got a reman trans in here, and I put a Corvette servo in it. And it does have a manual rear end in it, G37 axle. So the manual rear end is a 355 rear gear. Automatic rear gear is a 323 or something like that. So hopefully we can make a decent video tonight, have some fun, and I'll see you guys when I get out to the track. Big Chelsea Denofa right here. All right, guys, we out here at the track. I just rode in Hank John's Turbo LS New Edge. I got the car cooled down. I've been here for probably about an hour now, and I'm going to make my first pass. We got to turn tech card in, and then gonna drive to the lanes and make a hit.
I know for a fact this ain't stopped. I know for a fact because I have exactly one of these and I know too. All right. Uneventful. Thank you. 13.4. Huh? How much you get on you? I want to see the in-car footage.
went down. Alright y'all, so I'm about to make a second hit. First hit we went like a 13.4. It's a little bit cooler now. So about to put the camera back in the car and see if we can go a little bit faster. Maybe see if we can cut a couple tenths off. Not a whole lot, but just a couple. Alright guys, so the last video, well, the last hit I made, the car went 13.4 again at 102. We lost 2 miles an hour, but we went the same ET, so I don't know. But other than that, I didn't turn the GoPro on, just left it right there on the sunroof. And I did get an outside video though. This thing is a dud. It looks like it's taking off from a stoplight, but it wasn't built to be fast, it was just built to sound good. So my brother-in-law has a converter, and I think I'm gonna grab the converter from him and try to put it in and come back next week and see if we can pick up some ET with a converter.